Okay, so subtraction, we go through and change all of the signs on the second one. Okay, so right now this is a positive 5, so what's it going to become? Negative 5, so you draw a negative 5.
17.
Okay, draw a negative 5 for the first one. Cover up that other sign. This one is a negative 5, so what does it become? A positive 5. This one is a plus 4, so what does it become? A minus 4, okay, or negative. Cover up your old ones, you don't need them. Now, all we need to do is add them together. What is the highest exponent? 4. Okay, so that means I can put this one and this one together. So what is positive 4 minus 5?
1.
Negative 1. So I got negative 1a to the 4th. What is the next highest exponent?
3.
3. Okay, so here I got a 3, so negative 3a. And right here I got a 3. So what is negative 3 plus 5? 2. So you got plus 2a to the 3rd. What's the next highest exponent? None. So we can add the nones together. Okay, so I got 4 and a negative 4 is going to give me what?
0.
0. And if it makes you feel better, you can put plus 0, minus 0 on here, or you can put nothing. It doesn't matter. And that's it. Okay, look at the next one. Look at 19. Is it addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
19.
Addition.
It's addition. Okay, see the sign here in the middle?
Yeah.
That's how we can tell if it's addition or subtraction. So addition you really don't have to do anything with. You put them together. So what is the highest exponent?
4.
4. Is there another one? No, so we can just write that one down. 7p to the 4th. What's the next highest exponent?
3.
3. And what can I put together?
3p and 7p.
Okay, so what is 3 minus 7? We are, but the 7 is really a negative. So what is 3 plus negative 7 then?
4. Negative 4.
Negative 4. So you got negative 4p to the 3rd. Okay, what else could we combine?
P.
The p's. So I got a positive 7p and a negative 3p. What am I going to get when I add them together? Negative 3 plus 7. Yep, so it's going to be plus 4p. What else?
Plus 7.
Yeah, and we got the 7 left over right here, so it's going to be plus 7.
Never mind, that's not that one.
To get a subtraction problem.
No, look, I'll show you.
I'm confused.
Huh?
I'm just confused how to start it.
Okay, so to start it, is this addition or subtraction, Sam? And Jacob, it's addition. How can we tell that it's addition?
The middle sign.
Shush. The sign in the middle lets us know that it's addition. So addition, we don't need to do anything else with to even start it. Okay, what is the highest exponent here? N to the 4th. So what can I combine together?
8n and negative 6n.
Yep, so I got negative 8n and a negative 6n. So what is negative 8 plus negative 6?
It's 14.
Negative 14n to the 4th. What is the next highest exponent?
N.
Well, there is.
1.
Yeah, it would just be n or n to the 1. Okay, and that means that I can put 4n and 6n together
Big 10.
plus 10n. And what else? What else can we put together?
The 1 is negative 1.
6 and negative 1 is going to give me what?
5.
5, so plus 5. What are we adding together?
Exponent.
No.
Big numbers.
No. What are they called?
I forgot.
Starts with a P.
Constants.
No, starts with a P.
Polynomial.
Yo, look at you go. I'm proud of you, bud. Okay, look at 23, Sam. Look at 23. Is it a plus or a minus problem? Minus. So, don't write. Just look up here. So this 6 right here is positive. So what does it become? If it's a minus problem, we have to change all the signs. So what is it going to be? Negative. And so kind of just draw over that one and get rid of that, like through the parenthesis a little bit. So this is a plus 6, so what's it going to become?
-6.
Okay. And this is a minus 2, so what's it going to become? Now, add together just like you did on the last problem. What's your highest exponent? 4. Okay, so, and is there anything to combine? No, so you just got 5x to the 4th. What's our next highest exponent? 3. And what can I combine?
2. So 4x to the 3rd.
Plus 4x to the 3rd. Okay, and some of you guys, if you're getting lost, cross these off as you go. You know you use this, cross it off. We've used this, cross it off. Until you've got everything crossed off. What else can be combined?
So -4, -6.
Just 6.
So you are right, Sam, but we gotta write this 6x first. And then we would do this -4 and -6 to give me
Oh, yeah.
a -10. What form are we writing these in? Starts with an S. Starts with an S. What form do we have to write these in? It's got to go in order.
Standard form.
Standard form. And standard form tells us to do what? Go
Highest to
from
lowest.
highest to lowest and
A, B, C.
ABC order. Okay, and so that's why, Sam, I'm not hating, but that's why I could not put the 10 first. Okay, because I have x to the 4th, x to the 3rd. There would be an x squared, but there isn't. X and then no x.
I should see that. The 6 actually.
Okay, let's look at the next one. 25, is it a plus or a minus problem?
Minus.
Minus, so we need to do some sign changes. So the very first 4, what's it going to be?
Negative.
It's going to be a -4. What about the 1?
Negative.
7.
Positive.
Okay, and then we can add our stuff together. So what can we put together first? What comes first?
The M3 and the 4M3.
M3 and 4M3. And I'm going to get -3m to the 3rd. What else?
6M, 7M, -6M. That's positive.
Yep, so these two could go together. So -6 plus 7 plus 1m squared. What else?
1 plus 7.
Yeah, 7 plus 1. 7 plus -1.
7 plus -1.
6.
6.
So you got plus 6. And we've used everything. Okay? It's not too bad, right? Okay, look at 27. Is it a plus or minus problem?
Plus.
Plus, so that means we can just automatically put stuff together. So what gets wrote first?
6A to the 3rd.
6a to the 3rd. What comes next?
5A to this. 2 plus
Yeah.
the 3A.
Yeah, 2a and 3a is going to give me
5A.
5a to the squared to the 2nd. What comes next?
That 5. Yeah, is it 5A? The 5A.
What number's in front of the a? 1. So -1a and a -5a is going to give me -6a. And what else?
And then that 1 right there.
And then a -1. Okay, look at 29. Is it an addition or subtraction problem?
Addition.
Addition. What gets wrote first?
2P to the 3rd.
Close.
How wouldn't it?
And 3 P's.
What's wrong? If I write...
2P plus 3 P's.
No, that's not right. 2p to the 3rd is not right. What's the matter with it? It's a -2p to the 3rd, okay? You always got to use the sign in front of it, but the number part's right. Okay, what comes next?
3P to the 2nd.
3p to the 2nd. Then what?
6P
1p, which is gonna be
Negative 5p.
-5p. And what comes last?
That's 6 and -7.
Okay, and that's gonna give me -1. I will tell you, and I'm not trying to be hurtful, some of your guys' addition and subtraction game with mental math in your head is not the greatest, so use a freaking calculator, because if you get one number wrong or one sign wrong, I'm gonna mark it wrong. Rhonda knows, she grades papers, and my answer is always, is it right or is it wrong? Okay? Because if you were doing a test and your sign's wrong, like, I'm still gonna mark you off a point or something. Like, you know what I mean? It's clear, cut, and dry. You're either win or you lose. It's right or it's wrong. So make sure that